Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now. BullionNow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia.
Alright Riz, what have we got here?
We have got something out of this world. I'm going to get that terrible pun out of the way. We've got some aliens in a couple of different varieties, and it's an unboxing that lots of people have been looking forward to.
Well, I'm going to get into it straight away because I'm a big fan of the Scottsdale Alien rounds.
Yes.
Coins, I should say.
So, no, these have been very, very popular since their inception a few years ago. The one thing that trips me up, and I think a few other people up as well, is they're always a year behind with it. So this is 2025, but these will be dated 2024, but these are the new release ones. So just keep that in mind whenever you're looking out for them. These are actually the current ones.
And something else has changed in these.
Yes, the denomination, like the country of origin for that. Of the face value. So I don't know if the last one went, hang on a minute, we don't want to be doing that anymore.
Yeah, I wonder what happened there. I didn't catch on to that, but in any case,
it was Ghana, wasn't it?
It was of the first two, which I have and absolutely adore. And now this is my first view, live view, of the third iteration. Oh, wow.
You've got some 1/10 there. Look at that. That's
a lot of shiny there.
That's a box to open. These are the 1/10, a mintage of 1,000, which always goes very, very quickly. Yeah. And I think we scored something like 200, 250 of them, which is
insane in
pretty
itself.
crazy.
What do you think? What's the verdict on these?
Let's take a closer look. All right, so we've got dual aliens there, looking a little bit more threatening there with a plasma rifle or something of sorts. The invasion has begun, and they're ready to fight.
That's right. Phased plasma rifle in a 40-watt range,
as
the Terminator would say. All right, so that's glorious right there. All right,
we've started with the one that's probably the most sought after. Those 1/10s tend to go very quickly. Although it's a series that, yeah, I think all of them, but. We have a different variety in this time. I don't think we got in any of these last time, so it's good to expand the range a bit.
Yes, although I will be
this box is the 1 ounces.
Okay, so the geese. Okay, and I absolutely love the Scottsdale Mint boxes, the cardboard boxes themselves.
Is it a good enough replacement for a monster box?
You know what? I think so.
Okay.
I think it is. I do have a few of these at home. Not in this size.
Oh, maybe another 1 ounces. Oh, I think these are the bigger ones.
Let's take one out.
Oh,
wow! Look at that.
So we have them in 5-ounce silver here. And yeah, you can really make out that design a bit better there. Very cool, very futuristic.
Very, very cool. I believe these are the first 5 ounces in the aliens.
I think so, yeah.
All right, gorgeous.
And yeah, as we saw there, legal tender now in Samoa, no longer in Ghana.
All right, pop that. Here. Here they are.
Some fishing in the bag there. These look like the 1 ounces, but they're not in the monster box as I would have expected. So could be the overflow of it. The 1 ounce indeed.
Wow. That really pops, doesn't it?
Absolutely does.
All right, let's bring it in there. Yeah, it's a new design. I do love the, I believe that's a moon phases. It's actually one of my favorite designs on the issue.
I don't know if it is or not, just because it just seems to be a smaller circle getting larger as opposed to like different fractions of the moon, but still, very, very cool design on there. Right. I always thought crop circles or something like that.
All right, and then we have this one.
The one thing I do miss about it no longer being in Ghana is we've lost out on the Queen being on the back of an alien coin, which was a always a little surreal to me. But potentially with moving to King Charles, it wasn't something that they re-licensed essentially.
That's interesting. Yeah, that's a good point.
Alrighty, we think we found the box that has them after opening up everything else on the desk, but there's one more variety for us to check out. And we think that is some half ounces, but let's take a look.
And yes.
It is a smaller than 1 ounce tube.
Now let's see.
So the 1 ounce ones, the standard medallion tubes, so they will have they'll have 20 in them. Looks like the sheet of these have 3 to a sheet. If you wanted to grab all 3 together, and I'm not sure how many is
Alright, let's have a
in
look.
these. Let's take a look.
Oh, nice as well. Yep.
Very cool. So yeah, same design but in the half ounce, but very cool to see it in that semi-fractional. No, it is a fractional size, not semi-fractional.
I do like my fractionals, so that will be added
Very, very nice.
to the stack.
Good stuff, Scottsdale. Got some good stuff there. I don't know if I like the fact or not that they're bringing in new sizes kind of halfway through. I think I like the variation. They're kind of obviously looking at how successful the series has been and going, yeah, cool, we can add some more there. But it is very cool to see it expand. The lineup expand a bit.
It'll be someone's favourite.
That's
They did
it.
start the 110th series later. So it was part of the second series where they started the 110th in the gold. So I'm sure someone will find these in the favourite, especially in the 5 ounce. I think the design really pops.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Now, the elephant in the room on this is the 1/10 golds. Now, we have said on our live streams gone by, if you've been paying attention to those, that if you've purchased one of the 1/10s previously, we are going to try and give you priority for that one so you can continue to complete your set. If you have purchased one in the past, you should be receiving an email before this goes out with a link to some separate some separate stock of these ones. But don't worry, if not, there should also be some just available for general purchasing as well. So not exclusive to that, but if you bought one of those previously, keep an eye out for an email from us.
Absolutely. Thank you.
No worries. Thank you very much, Alex. We will see you in the next one.